Hi everyone, my name is Don Pombo. I am from Colombia, I'm Barranquilla. I have 32 years old. I am an industrial engineering student. I am very happy for my present. I am a nice person. I am very calm and intelligent. I am very orderly, full of energy. I am proactive, polite, and very happy. I like to play soccer and watch self-improvement videos. This is my home. This is the bathroom. It is small. The door is brown. This is the shower and its faucet. This is soap. This is the toilet. This color is beige. This is the toilet brush. Here are the shampoo for men, women, and mouthwash. This is the sink. Its color is beige. This is my living room. This is a coffee table. This is a sofa. The sofa is black. It is long. Here we have a curtain. This is the front door. It is color brown. Here we have a painting. This is a mirror. Mirror. It is. This is the dining room. At this moment, it had three chairs. Its table is made of glass. This is a lamp. This is the door to my room. It is brown. This is my bed. It is very large and it is black. This is my fan. It is also black. This is my air conditioner. It is white. This is the landing phone. This is my computer. It is very expensive. Here is the mouse. It is small. This is my television. It is new. These are the remote control. This is the iron for clothes. It is cheap. This is the closet. It is brown in color and is very large. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Regards.